LeetCode 3536, which is maximum product of two numbers. You have given a positive integer n, and you have to return the maximum product of any two digits of that number. And note, if you have the same number twice in the digit, if it appear more than once in n. So if let's say we have 22, so we can multiply it 2 and 2 if it is present more than once. So I think you must read the example 1 and example 2. Now let me take example from myself. As if we have 1, 2 and 4, we need to find the maximum multiplication of it. So we can extract out the digits, two digits which are maximum in the whole thing. As the normal brute force approach is it, as we need to find the two max digits and multiply it. So its multiplication always be the maximum. So let's say we are having the multiplication of two large digits. So this is the large digit 4, and this is the larger digit dimension. Here this is 8. So the answer is 8. Now, as we have 22, so in the 22, the largest digits is 2, and another largest digit is 2. So it is 4. So the answer is 4. And for 3 1, we need two digits, which is first is largest and the second largest. So first largest is 3, then the second largest is 1. We have 3. So the answer will be 3. So extract out each words. Let's say we have a first in first equal to 0, then second equal to 0, and while n is greater than 0. We need to extract out the words. As to extract the words, at let's say we have 124. So we need int b. So let's say this is equals to n. So if we do a modulo by 10, we will extract out the last word of it. So we will extract out b equal to 4. Okay. Then again we will put n equal to n divided by 10. So the current n will be equals to, as in dividing there is 1, 2, 1, 4. So this will equals to 12. Now again we will loop through this. Again we will find the last digit, and again this circle will move on. So let me find the last digit. The last digit is 10 divided by modulo 10. And then I will update, like if this last digit is greater than or equal to first, then just update the first, update the update the first as last digit. But before updating the first one, we need to assign the first one to the last. As we have, let's say, I can say that as we have a first and a second. Okay. So whenever greater element will come, we will assign the first to second, and then assign the greatest element to this. So first we will assign the second first, then first will be the last character. If it is not the case might be that the last digit is greater than the second, but not greater than the first. So in this case, second will got updated. Second will get the last digit. At last, we just need to and divide by 10. Now return first and second. Let me run it. It is passing the test cases. Now let me submit the problem. On submitting the problem, it is totally accepted. Let us know about the time complexity of it. So this will run until the d, as d is number of digits. So time complexity is big O of t. So TC is big O of t, and we are not taking any space complexity. So space complexity is just big O of 1. The code in Python, C++, and Java is present in the GitHub, which is the link in the description. For these types of coding techniques and tricks, just follow the channel.